Hi YouTube, here we have this HP laptop, HP Envy or Envy X360 M6 convertible PC. Okay, hope you see that. So it came into me as no power, does not turn on. I just connected the battery. Let me connect the battery. Okay, no power. And let me get the charger real quick. Okay, so I connect the charger. You see the light charging the battery. Still no power. So after looking closely at this laptop, I'm going to disconnect the battery. What I found is actually the power button failed on it. So let me get to the microscope and I'll show you what's going on here exactly. Okay, so take a look at this power button. When I press on it, see how those contacts move? So I think that's our problem here actually. See the contacts moving? There are two contacts, one here, one here. See, those contacts are moving. So let's go ahead and see if it is what I think it is. And because I don't think they're ripped, they just like, it looks like a bad soldering job here. Actually, it's kind of like a cold solder. So let me touch them up for now. The battery disconnected. And see what we have. Okay, one. Oops, yeah, that actually, oh man, that one is completely gone. Yep, this one is not gone, but that pad is completely gone actually. So what we have to do is actually scrape this. And add yeah, the whole thing is kind of moving. So we have to make it, oh yeah, this one's going probably too. So we have to kind of make them so they don't break again. I'm not sure, how we're gonna go about that one. Let me think about it, because this whole thing is this whole button kind of moves. So even if I'm gonna add something, it might fail eventually again. This button is it's just kind of bad design. That's all it is. Let me think I'm gonna go about this one. Because if I'm just gonna add we'll just continue to move. Unless we add some kind of like a flexible kind of wire so it has enough slack to move around. Maybe that will do. Let me think about this one. Let me see what we have here. Like for example, if I add this wire. This is This is not gonna be flexible. This is not gonna work. I need something smaller. Touch it up here. Okay, so which wire are we gonna use? Let me try maybe this one. Yeah, this will do better. I want to make sure it's not touching anything else. Sure. Okay, this will do. Let me see. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Okay, and here same deal with this, and probably what I will end up doing is adding some hot glue on top. But for now, let me do one thing at a time. Where did that go? So we leave some slack, so it's kind of, you know, so it's not like solid, so it moves with the button basically. That's the idea here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let me see. Yep.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so let's see if actually, I'm not gonna clean it up for now, but let's see if it's actually gonna make a difference. Okay. Okay. Connecting the battery. The battery probably is depleted. Okay. Any movement? Anything? Nothing? Nothing. Let me use the tweezers. Is it still the battery? Or what's going on? Some more research needed. So let me see. Okay, so it's all good. The only thing that was stopping it from starting up actually is it had to be open. That's all. That's it. So that's definitely what happened to it, that the power button failed on it. and by soldering those two wires and getting the connection back, we are back in business, and we have this HP fixed up. Yep, so basically the sensor, the sleep sensor, was not letting it to turn on, and it was not turning on before, I can assure you of that, because you know, I was trying to turn it on with the screen open, and you saw that the actual power button connectors were actually damaged. So if you have this issue, hope this video will help you troubleshoot this problem. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, and please give me that thumbs up if you like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely day.